welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing this BMI Regional ERJ-145 made by Skymarks. I found this model about a week ago for about £20, and the condition, as you can tell, it doesn't look like it's been opened before. The box is in absolutely perfect condition, no wear, anything. So for £20, you know, it's already off to a great start. Okay, let's open the model. They don't want to damage anything, so I'm going to be quite careful with it. Just take this out. So there's the next bit. Obviously, we have the model, and then on the underneath, if I take that off like that, you can see the fuselage. Obviously, it's still in its power. I'm positive that this hasn't been opened before with the condition that it's in at this stage. So we'll take a look at the parts that are going to fit in now, and then get to building it. Okay, so I've unboxed the fuselage, and now we are left with the bits that we'll need to fit onto the aircraft. So we have the stand in here, we have the two wings, and then the engine pieces there. And it also comes with instructions which will help you and tell you how to assemble the aircraft. Okay, so the model is now fully built. I decided to do this off camera due to snap fit models being very delicate and quite hard to build, especially the wings. Yeah, this back wing isn't fully in yet, as I do not want to ruin it. You can see it just there. So I will carefully do that later on. But if we look at the stand to start with, we have BMI Regional Embraer 145, scale 1 to 100. This is one of the larger scale aircrafts. I believe it might be the largest scale I have in my collection now. But if we look at attention to detail, we have the reg on the rear engines, the tail. I'm a really big fan of the Embraer 145 due to how it looks. See plenty of detail. Not many windows, as it, you know, it is quite a small aircraft. It doesn't look it here, but yeah, very small aircraft. But for the price I paid, the condition is absolutely amazing. The box is in incredible condition. It arrived in 3 to 4 days, which is also very good for the delivery fee that I had to pay as well. So yeah, overall a very good model. Unfortunately, there's still this airline doesn't fly anymore. It split ways when Fly BMI and BMI Baby went bankrupt. It took on its own path and continued up till about 2018 to 2019, somewhere around there. But then unfortunately, it couldn't continue. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Leave your thoughts on the model in the comments below, and I'll see you again soon.